everyone, this is Kathleen, and I'm glad to be back again today to share a little more time with you. I like to use junk in my junk journals. Maybe you do too. But sometimes there are problems with that junk. Maybe the colors are too bright. Maybe the text is too bold, or there's too much of it. Maybe the book page is too slick. There's any number of things that can be wrong with the papers that we want to use anyway. So I want to share my secret for preparing those pages to use in my journal. I'm working today in the folk art journal, and I have the signatures pretty much prepared, but there's still a few things that I'm trying to do. So let me show you the most important way I use acrylic paint to help me in my junk journal. So I have 2 signatures made, but let me show you a couple of the pages that I have that I don't want. I don't like this page, but I really like this part of this page. I just like those colors. They're perfect for what I have going on. But I don't really care for the orange. I don't care for this right here, and I really don't care for this. So I think probably I will make a pocket to fit over this, but I want to show you how to prepare this so that it looks better in the signature. So that's one. And then the other thing I want to do is, this is one of my favorite resources for free junk journal material. I really like this catalog. The colors are always just beautiful, and I haven't gotten a new one for quite a long time, but I sure like it. Another thing that I really love, it's my husband's alumni magazine, and I love this color and the greens, and there's a number of things that I like. So I'm going to be harvesting, some of these colors because they are perfect for what I'm doing. I will do another video about how I'm going to use those harvested images, but today, let's get to the point. So I have this magazine page here. I am making it a pocket, but a lot of people don't like faces in their junk journals, and so I'm going to use some paint and cover that up. So we'll take this one out, and then on this, in this signature, let's see, yep, I've got another one of those, and that might be, yeah, I think that's probably all, except that I might tone this down just a little bit, so we'll do that one too. Okay, so how do I do this? That's the secret. Let me share. It's acrylic paint, okay? Some of you have seen me do this before, but I'm just going to put some acrylic paint here on some paper, and then all I'm going to do is just roll that over. And what that does, you can see already, it just kind of tones down that bright color. Now we'll do the same thing here. So once you do this with acrylic paint, then especially if you use a gel pen, you can write on it. So you can journal on top of this paint now. Good. I think I like that too. All right. That's as easy as it is. No kidding. Yep. But you can see how that just kind of toned that down a little bit, prepared it a little more for, I don't know what I'll do, maybe stencil or doodle or something on there. And then these pockets are now, they're just, I don't know, just a little bit better prepared for the journal. Okay, let's get these 2 pages out. This one for sure. And I think I want to tone this green down a bit as well. So let's get a little bit more paint and we'll do this book page first. I think that this has just toned the bright colors back a little bit. It has solved the problem of the text. So this looks way better now. I'm way more happy to use that in the signature. And the faces are largely gone. So let's get the mood board and see how that kind of looks next to what we're doing here. Yeah, I like it. I think it works perfectly. Hey, thanks so much for spending time with me. If this was helpful to you, would you please hit the like button, because that helps the algorithm to share my channel a little more widely, and I appreciate that help. Next time, we're going to use some more trash and make some fabric and lace elements for the journal. We'll see you then.